Another Day, Another Book. The Pilgrimage is a novel written by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. It was originally published in Portuguese in 1987 and later translated into English. Considered a semi-autobiographical work, The Pilgrimage follows the journey of the author himself as he embarks on a spiritual pilgrimage along the road to Santiago de Compostela in Spain. The book is structured as a first-person narrative and explores themes of self-discovery, personal growth, and the pursuit of one's dreams. Coelho shares his experiences as he undertakes the pilgrimage, weaving together elements of mysticism, philosophy, and allegory. The story begins with Coelho, who is a journalist and aspiring writer at the time, feeling unfulfilled and disconnected from his true purpose in life. In search of spiritual enlightenment and a deeper understanding of himself, he decides to embark on a journey known as the Road to Santiago de Compostela. This ancient pilgrimage route has been traveled by thousands of pilgrims for centuries and is believed to be a path towards spiritual awakening. As Coelho begins his pilgrimage, he encounters various challenges, both external and internal. Along the way, he meets a spiritual guide named Petrus, who becomes his mentor and provides him with insights and teachings about the spiritual aspects of the journey. Petrus introduces Coelho to various exercises and rituals designed to expand his consciousness and help him overcome his fears and limitations. Throughout the book, Coelho shares his reflections, insights, and encounters with other pilgrims he meets along the road. These encounters serve as catalysts for his personal growth and transformation. Coelho delves into his own fears, doubts, and insecurities, confronting them head-on in order to find his true self. One of the central teachings of the pilgrimage is the concept of the personal legend. Coelho believes that each individual has a unique purpose or destiny in life, and the pilgrimage serves as a means to discover and fulfill that purpose. He emphasizes the importance of listening to one's heart, following one's intuition, and having faith in the journey, even in the face of obstacles. As Coelho progresses on his pilgrimage, he experiences various mystical and supernatural encounters. These encounters blur the lines between reality and the spiritual realm, challenging his perceptions and deepening his understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Coelho explores concepts such as synchronicity, omens, and the language of signs, suggesting that the universe communicates with individuals through symbolic messages. The Pilgrimage is a deeply introspective and philosophical book that blends spirituality, mysticism, and adventure. Coelho's writing style is poetic and contemplative, inviting readers to reflect on their own lives and spiritual journeys. The book's overarching message is that true fulfillment comes from aligning oneself with one's purpose, embracing personal growth, and finding the courage to follow one's dreams. In addition to its literary merit, The Pilgrimage has garnered praise for its profound insights into the human condition and its ability to inspire readers to embark on their own personal journeys of self-discovery. It serves as a testament to the power of embracing change, stepping out of one's comfort zone, and exploring the depths of one's soul. With its timeless wisdom and universal themes, The Pilgrimage continues to captivate readers around the world, offering a profound and transformative reading experience. It stands as a testament to the power of spiritual exploration and the potential for personal growth that lies within each individual. Thanks for watching.